my Storm Chaser remains one of the best roller coasters in the world. Holy crap. All right, everybody, here we are. Where are we at? Kentucky Kingdom.
Kentucky Kingdom.
We are at Kentucky Kingdom riding Lightning Run. And I gotta be honest, like a lot of people look at this ride and go, oh man, this doesn't look very tall. It must not be very fast. I will tell you that those people
are wrong.
They're very, very wrong. This is one intense ride. It's one of those like, don't judge it by how big it looks. That's what she said. Or the speed, oh crap. Like, we already just started speeding up on the lift hill right now. All right, here we go, guys. Get ready for it. Oh, I don't know to put my hands up or to hang on. I'm hanging on. Ready? That is a really fun, amazing, awesome ride. What'd you think? You like it?
I love it.
I love it. Thumbs up. All right, guys. Here we go. We are riding T3 here at Kentucky Kingdom. And I'm laughing a little bit because this is a fun ride. I love it. This is one of the smoothest Vekoma SLCs ever, especially now that it has these brand new vest restraints and trains. Used to be T2, Terror to the second power, but now it has new, upgraded superpowers, and it is T3, Terror to the third power. Get it? Has nothing to do with Terminator, Arnold Schwarzenegger. All right, guys, here we go. This is gonna happen, and I'm somewhat prepared. All right, guys, here we go. Oh man! Okay, that was a slight jolt, but I'm all right. It's all right. Whee! It's bouncy, but it's fun. All right, get ready for it. The double corkscrew of amazingness. Whee! And whee! Oh man! We are surviving Terror to the third power. You, me, and Dupree, and it's amazing, and we made it. We are in the brake run. We have done it, guys. Terror to the third power. We owned you. We had you. This is our ride, not yours anymore. We own you. That's it. Put down your weapons and go home. Got it? Good. All right, everybody, we're here on Thunder Run at Kentucky Kingdom. And I'll tell you, I've been riding this roller coaster for about 20 years, and it still holds up, man. It's a little rattly, it's a little bone jarring, but it is a hell of a lot of fun. All right, guys at home, throw your hands up in the air. Get ready for it. Oh God, here it comes. Oh, that's a great view of Storm Chaser over there. And the circle, I see a circle. All right, guys. Oh crap, I am not ready for this. I am not ready. Here we go. That was a tooth chipper there moment at the end. All right, everybody, get down on the right, most extreme roller coaster in the park.
Oh yeah.
Here we go, guys. It's the roller skater. I don't know if I can handle the extreme G-forces and airtime and laterals that the roller skater here at Kentucky Kingdom produces, but I'm gonna give it a try. All right, kids at home, hold up your hands in the air and get ready to scream. Here we go. It's the roller skater. Whee! Oh man, extreme G-forces and laterals. Here we go. Airtime to the max. It's crazy. And the helix of forcefulness. And into the brakes. And that, my friends, is the roller skater here at Kentucky Kingdom. Awesome roller coaster, very thrilling. With one of the coolest drops you'll find anywhere. Here we go. Oh my God. Ready? Upside down. Oh my God. The airtime is nuts. Ready? Oh my God. This ride is crazy. Ready? Holy crap moment. And that's why Storm Chaser remains one of the best roller coasters in the world. Holy crap.
I forgot how much I love this.
Oh, did you catch your breath?
No, what just happened?
I have no idea.